This is the latest 17.3-inch model of Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop. It is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor and Nvidia RTX 3060 GPU. It comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. These hardware specs provide more than enough horsepower to play all modern gaming titles in 1080p resolution at high frame rates. The 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H is a beast of a processor. It comes with 14 cores and 20 threads, which delivers breathtaking performance and battery life. This is because it uses an advanced hybrid architecture consisting of 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. The performance cores are capable of turbo boosting to 4.7 GHz, delivering top-of-the-line performance. Take a look at its impressive Cinebench single and multi-core benchmarks. These confirm that among gaming CPUs, Intel Core i7 12700H is one of the best processors in the market. Acer has paired this CPU with an Nvidia RTX 3060 mobile GPU. This is a solid 1080p gaming GPU rocking 3840 CUDA cores that are capable of running up to 1703 MHz boost clock frequency. Take a look at the FPS that I got while playing popular gaming titles in 1080p resolution in high setting. Even the most demanding games are able to run at up to 60 frames per second or higher, resulting in a very smooth gaming playback. Let's talk about the display. So you are getting a large 17.3-inch Full HD screen that uses an LED backlit IPS panel. It supports 144Hz fast refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time for a lag-free gaming experience. This display pumps out 250 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB color gamut, which is perfect for indoor gaming and video editing. Regarding the keyboard, you are getting a customizable RG backlit keyboard with a see-through concave shaped WASD keycaps. There are dedicated keys for turbo overclocking and launching Acer's Predator Sense software for CPU and GPU overclocking, as well as tweaking the fan curves. Regarding battery life, expect to get around 4 hours of day-to-day use. This is the main drawback of this laptop since its humongous 17.3-inch display sucks in a lot of power. Acer does include a 280 watt power adapter which can quickly juice up this battery from 0 to 80% in under an hour. Moving on to the thermal performance, there are 2 fans and 3 copper pipes, and there is a large heat sink to keep the CPU, the GPU and the voltage regulators cool. These fans do a very good job keeping the laptop cool without getting overly loud. They are capable of pushing a lot of air when running in full blast. You can customize the RPM of these fans to ensure adequate cooling while still maintaining low noise levels. Now, during my typical 1080p gaming sessions, I did not notice any CPU throttling or GPU overheating. Now, the fan noise wasn't too distracting, but if it bothers you, there is always an option to use a headphone. So overall, Acer Predator Helios 300 is a fantastic mid-tier gaming laptop that handles all the 1080p AAA gaming titles without any issues.